Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining us. My name is Tom Edsel, Head of Americas for GRESB.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mathilde I'm the Chief Customer Success Officer here at GRESB.
So, Mathilde, here we are, gearing up for what is likely to be another record-setting year for GRESB.
Absolutely.
Across the globe, organizations are preparing for the marking of their next successful step towards more efficient and more sustainable assets. But today, we're not really here to talk about them. Today, we are here to speak to you. If you're watching this recording, then you are likely an efficiency and sustainability professional in your firm, and you've not yet joined the global GRESB community. You've likely heard a lot about GRESB. You may have even intended to join last year, but maybe your organization just didn't have the bandwidth. Well, today we're here to speak directly to you. Mathilde and I, we believe there are really three key reasons why this year would be the year for you to step into GRESB. First, support resources to help you are everywhere. You are not alone in this. Help and guidance is plentiful. No one does GRESB alone, even if you happen to be the only person at your firm. Secondly, you actually get to be the person to set up your organization for success. You also get to set up yourself for success. I'll talk a little bit more about this in a minute. And lastly, GRESB is a global community filled with professionals and organizations like you. So the third key reason is you deserve to get the acknowledgement across the globe for what you're already doing at your firm. And joining GRESB does just that. So let's dig into those three items, Mathilde, a little bit deeper. Why don't you take us through the support that is plentiful and available?
Absolutely, Tom. Listen, we know that getting started with GRESB is a big step, especially if it's your first time doing a sustainability assessment. You might be unsure about the process, the time commitment, or even just where to begin. We get it. We have a lot of resources and educational material out there to support you. But today, I want to highlight to you two specific services we created to help you. We recently created the GRESB Quick Start, a service designed to make your entry into GRESB as smooth as possible. GRESB Quick Start gives you a direct one-to-one support from our team, helping you understand what GRESB is all about, how it aligns with your organization's goals, and what you need to do to participate successfully. The GRESB Quick Start is here to help you familiarize with GRESB quickly so you can easily navigate the assessment process. During this one-to-one engagement with an expert from our GRESB member success team, we cover all you need for a seamless reporting period. In the GRESB Quick Start session, we provide everything you need to know for a speedy start, such as understanding the GRESB timeline so you can anticipate every step, navigating the GRESB resources for a smooth reporting period, seeing important tools in action through a personalized live demo, such as the real estate asset spreadsheets or the infrastructure materiality and scoring tool. And you can receive tailored tips and best practices to enhance your reporting. A quick start session is also a fantastic opportunity to get this one-to-one time with our internal experts to ask all your questions and to receive premium support.
That's right.
Do not hesitate to book this efficiency boost to accelerate your GRESB learning curve. We are here for you. Now, the first year of doing GRESB is about learning the ropes and becoming familiar with the process. While the GRESB Quick Start service aims to support you getting started, it is important to take time to reflect on and learn from your first year of reporting after you're done. Consistently, we see huge jumps in score between the first year and the second year, as you are able to make adjustments or lay some of the foundations that you may have been missing when you first started. To make this learning process as effective as possible for the strongest ever second year, we offer a service called the results consultation. At GRESB, we want to ensure our participants make the most of the process, not only to get more points and improve scores, but most importantly, to enhance your sustainability practices. Our member success team conducts the results consultation, which includes a comprehensive review of your GRESB assessment results, followed by a discussion call. Prior to the call, you will receive a results consultation report to prepare, and a final version of the report will be sent to you after the call, addressing any specific questions you had to help you navigate effectively your results assessments. By booking a results consultation with the GRESB member success team, you will thoroughly understand your opportunities for performance improvement over time. You will receive a detailed insight into the GRESB validation process, points allocation for each indicator, and information on upcoming changes to the next year's GRESB assessment. GRESB members who use this service testify that through the program, their organization could clearly figure out and understand where to focus their efforts, on what initiatives they should implement or drive forward more in order for their ESG programs to have a greatest amount of impact, and how that's then going to have an impact on their expected GRESB results. So we have plenty available for you, but today I really wanted to highlight those two services. Back to you, Tom.
Thanks, Mathilde. So plenty of resource and support materials are available to you. That's reason number one. Reason number two, you get to set up your organization for success. Joining GRESB for your first year is often simply a choice to get started, not only for your firm, but for you as a professional. The number one comment most of our new joiners provide us after their first year is just simply how much they've learned. They all felt unsure and they all had anxiety about making that first step. So that is totally normal if that's what you're feeling. But they may have started out with those feelings, but they've exited their first year feeling like experts. Countless times we've heard from new joiners tell us, my second year experience with GRESB was completely different from the first. The second time around, I knew exactly what I needed to do. I knew where we could improve. In the end, I just needed to get started. It may be useful to also give you the perspective that every single GRESB submitter is actually seeking progress. No one is seeking perfection. This is true for first-time submitters, as well as those who may have submitted for 10 plus years in a row. So again, the only way to get on the path to progress on anything, frankly, is to simply get started. I'll tell you one more story. I had one member tell me, I finally realized that the longer we waited to join GRESB, the longer we didn't have a recognized framework to measure our progress versus peers, for ourselves internally, or even for our investors. So we just needed to take the first step and end that issue hanging over our heads. The third key reason to consider joining GRESB this year is get the global acknowledgement you deserve. GRESB is an organization of over 2,200 individual reporting entities and managers, 150 or more global investors, organizations from 70 different countries around the world. It is a big and it's a growing group, but it is not the entire industry. So you might say that the entire real assets industry can be split into GRESB members and non-GRESB members. And the reality is you and your firm likely already have many sustainability and efficiency programs already in place. You are moving forward. And so GRESB is that tool. It is that opportunity for you to register to be among the portion of the industry proudly reporting and disclosing the programs they have in place. We like to say the only bad GRESB result is no score, not participating.
That's right.
So in closing, Mathilde and I just really want you to focus at this point in your consideration to understand support resources are everywhere. And Mathilde highlighted two very key ones for first-time joiners. You get the opportunity to set up your organization for success and frankly, your career for success. And your organization and you deserve the acknowledgement from your global peers in what has already happened.
We can't wait to support you on our GRESB journey.
Please consider taking that first step. Please consider giving yourself all the advantages. Everyone else in GRESB was just like you, but they made the decision to start. Please reach out to your GRESB representative. If you have one, if you don't, you can email at us at info@gresb.com. We will walk you through the process. We will expose more of the resources like Mathilde talked about. And really, let's end your company waiting to get the benefits and the return on investment on all that you've already been doing. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Thank you.